crispy, comforting, and made with ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. This Suji toast is the kind of quick snack that never disappoints and is perfect for chai time and sudden hunger pangs. Let's get started. First, take semolina in a mixing bowl, add fresh curd, and mix it to form a thick batter. Once done, let the batter rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the bread slices. Take bread and cut out circles from the center using a cookie cutter, bowl, or even a glass. Similarly, cut all the bread slices. Don't throw away the leftover bread pieces. You can use them to make breadcrumbs or even a delicious bread pudding later. You will see that the semolina mixture has become fluffy after resting. Let's add in the veggies, starting with finely chopped bell peppers, onions, and de-seeded tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves, salt, chaat masala, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and finely chopped green chilies as per your taste. Mix everything nicely. If the batter feels too thick, you can adjust the consistency by adding a little more curd. Now heat the pan. Take the bread slices and apply the prepared suji mixture. Spread it evenly. Add some oil on the pan. Top the breads with a few pieces of tomatoes and bell peppers for a colourful touch. Carefully place them onto the pan. Cook on a low flame so the semolina gets cooked properly and turns crisp. Apply a little oil on the bread slices. Once golden and firm, gently flip and cook the other side as well. As you can see, the toast has turned beautifully crisp and colorful. Serve it hot with ketchup or chutney for a perfect evening snack or breakfast option. Do try this healthy Suji toast at home and let us know how much your family enjoyed it. Until next time, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.